Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off sound effects on Doomsday application. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Doomsday application on your device and make sure to log into your Doomsday application and you are in the main homepage. After you are in the main homepage, tap on your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. This will then open up the Commander's info option. Select settings from the bottom and tap on System Settings option. Now, right next to sound settings, you will be able to see your toggle button on. To turn off sound effects, tap on the toggle right next to sound effect and this will turn off sound effects on your Doomsday application. You will now be able to play the game without any sound. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.